How to make and keep a New Year's resolution. A New Year's resolution is a type of goal that people make for themselves at the start of the year, with the intention of improving their lives. Some common New Year's resolutions are to lose weight, stop smoking, and spend more time with friends and family. There are many benefits to making a New Year's resolution, including feeling more self-confident, setting an example for others, and achieving goals. Make sure your New Year's resolutions have the 4 qualities above very well defined. 1. Your goal should be specific. 2. Your goal should be measurable. 3. Your goal should be achievable. 4. Your goal should be relevant. In order to make a New Year's resolution successful, it is important that you do not wait until the new year starts before you begin working on your resolution. You should start working on it now so that you are able to achieve it by the end of the year.